In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build projects in Notion. We'll start right from the Notion homepage. Once you're on your Notion home, look towards the area where your main workspace options and suggestions appear. Here, you'll typically see a section for templates or ways to quickly get started. That's the area we're going to use. First, click on the option that opens up more template choices. This might look like a small button or link saying something like More Templates. Go ahead and select that. This will open Notion's broader templates area where you can browse different setups for notes, wikis, projects, and more. Inside this templates view, look for an option that takes you into the full marketplace. It may say something along the lines of More in Marketplace. Click that to open the Notion Marketplace in a dedicated window or panel. The Marketplace is where Notion and the community share ready-made setups, including project and task systems. At the top of the Marketplace, you'll see a search bar. Click in that search bar and type the word project. This filters the templates so we only see those related to project management. Give it a second to load, and then look through the results that appear underneath. From the search results, select the official Notion Projects and Tasks template. This is a robust starting point for managing projects, deadlines, and tasks all in one place. Click on it to open the template's detail page, where you'll see a description, screenshots, and an overview of what it includes. On this detail page, click the Add button. This tells Notion you want to copy this template into your own workspace. After clicking Add, Notion will ask you where to place it. Choose the main workspace or team space where you want your projects to live. You might see one or more spaces listed. Just pick the one that makes the most sense for your work. Once you've chosen the space, confirm your selection. Notion will then create a new page in that space using the Projects and Tasks template. When it's finished, open that new page. You'll see a structured layout with databases for projects and tasks. Now click into the area where it shows a project name. Edit that project name to match your own project, like a client name, product launch, or personal goal. From here, you can continue customizing properties, dates, and views, building out a full project system tailored to your workflow.